We're here today with a brand new Samsung Axis that we've covered with a gadget guard to show you how a gadget guard can protect your cell phone from the worst 4th of July accident, being blown up by firecrackers.
You can see how the phone is visibly damaged from the firecracker going off. Let's peel off the invisible gadget guard and see what kind of damage is done to the actual handset. You can see that the gadget guard is still all in one piece and the phone is perfect underneath the gadget guard. So one last piece for us to peel off just to make sure that none of it burned through the gadget guard material onto the handset. Just like new.